In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, select your activity option and scroll down to find Download Your Information at the bottom. Then select Download or Transfer Information option. Choose the account for which you want to download the information and then tap on Next option. You can get all available information for a selected profile or choose specific information. Click on All Available Information. You can either choose to download a copy to your own device or transfer a copy to another service. Then click on Download to Device. You will be asked to customize the download settings by setting the date, range, format, and medium quality for your download. This is useful if you only need information from a specific time frame. If you're ready with your preferences, click on Create Files to submit the request. Instagram will then process the request and send a confirmation email once your file is ready for download. Hope this helps.